Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Pik Multani Mitti Stone, available on Amazon, and this is non-sponsored video. I had bought this from Amazon because it was available only on the Amazon on that time. I had bought this after watching Fittiver's video. By the way, good quality, cooling, but one headache is there. We have to make powder of it using water and pestle. So I have made the powder and using that powder whenever I do any skincare DIY. I have used this on my face and body. No irritation, suits well. Skin get thoroughly clean, affordable, but little bit itchiness is there. I don't know why, but when it started to get dry out, then my skin started to feel little bit itch. So I just wash it out and don't dry out completely, semi dry, then wash the face and body. They have provided the good amount like 1 kilogram, which is really good. Yes, that's my review. If you have also tried any other brand or this your pick Multani Mitti stone or powder, then you can share your review in the comment section below. That will be really helpful. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.